The Earth is an astonishingly diverse planet, home to millions of animal species that inhabit almost every corner of its land, air, and water. Animals come in all shapes and sizes, from microscopic creatures to the largest living beings ever known. This diversity allows ecosystems to thrive, as every animal species plays a unique role in maintaining ecological balance. Understanding the variety of animals in the world provides insight into the complexity and beauty of life on Earth. Mammals are a group of animals characterized by their ability to produce milk to feed their young and the presence of hair or fur on their bodies. They are warm-blooded and often display high levels of intelligence and social behavior. Some of the most well-known mammals include lions, tigers, elephants, and whales. Lions, often called the king of the jungle, are apex predators found in African savannas. They live in social groups called prides, which consist of related females, their cubs, and a few adult males. Tigers, the largest members of the cat family, are solitary hunters and are mostly found in forests of Asia. Elephants are the largest land animals, known for their intelligence, strong family bonds, and long memories. They play a vital role in shaping their habitats by uprooting trees and creating waterholes that other animals can use. Whales, on the other hand, dominate the oceans. From the massive blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived, to smaller species like orcas, whales are highly intelligent and communicate using complex vocalizations. Birds are another fascinating group, distinguished by their feathers, beaks, and ability to fly, though some species like ostriches and penguins have lost this ability over time. Birds are found almost everywhere on Earth, from tropical rainforests to icy polar regions. Eagles and hawks are birds of prey, known for their keen eyesight and hunting skills. Colorful parrots, toucans, and peacocks display vibrant plumage and are often found in tropical environments. Songbirds, such as robins and nightingales, fill the world with beautiful melodies, which play a role in mating and territory defense. Birds also contribute significantly to ecosystems by dispersing seeds, pollinating plants, and controlling insect populations. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals with scaly skin, and they include snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. Reptiles are mostly terrestrial, but some, like sea turtles, spend much of their lives in water. Snakes are highly adaptable and can live in deserts, forests, and grasslands. Some species are venomous, using their poison to subdue prey, while others kill by constriction. Lizards, such as geckos and chameleons, often rely on camouflage to avoid predators. Turtles are known for their long lifespans and slow movements, and many species migrate long distances to reproduce. Crocodiles, powerful and aggressive, are apex predators in rivers and swamps, playing a critical role in controlling populations of other animals. Amphibians, including frogs, toads, and salamanders, are unique because they spend part of their lives in water and part on land. Their moist skin allows them to absorb water and oxygen, making them sensitive indicators of environmental health. Frogs and toads are known for their vocal calls during mating seasons, and their diet helps control insect populations. Amphibians are essential for maintaining ecological balance, as they serve both as predators and prey in their habitats. Fish are the most diverse group of vertebrates, living exclusively in water. They range from tiny, colorful tropical fish to enormous species like the whale shark. Fish have adapted to almost every aquatic environment, from freshwater rivers to the deepest parts of the oceans. Some, like salmon, undertake incredible migrations to spawn in the waters where they were born. Others, like electric eels, have developed unique abilities to hunt or defend themselves. Fish play an essential role in aquatic ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey and supporting human livelihoods through fishing industries. Insects are the most numerous and diverse group of animals on Earth. They include butterflies, bees, ants, beetles, and mosquitoes. Insects are incredibly adaptable and can be found in almost every environment. Bees, for example, are vital pollinators, supporting the growth of flowers and crops that feed humans and other animals. Ants live in highly organized colonies with division of labor, showing remarkable social behavior. Butterflies contribute to pollination while also providing aesthetic beauty to nature. Despite their small size, insects have a huge impact on ecosystems, influencing plant reproduction, soil health, and the food chain. Marine animals beyond fish include fascinating creatures like octopuses, squids, jellyfish, and sea turtles. Octopuses are renowned for their intelligence, problem-solving abilities.